Welcome everyone, I'm Don Taylor, and I'm here with Jim Hewson, and we're on pins and needles waiting for this game to begin.
The only difference is Don's pins and needles are real.
Ow! Let's get this game started. Ow!
Zednik dangles the puck out there with one hand.
Then pulls it right back in. Sweet.
Joseph makes the save. Yzerman. Quintal scoops up the loose puck. Koivu! Hull. Yzerman gets shoved. Chelios controls the puck.
A goal with more polish than an Army cadet boot rack.
Man, what a fast start to the action.
You know, I wish I could do that, but I think the people, my fans, want me here in the broadcast.
Lucky me.
Fedorov.
And by number 17, Brett Hull.
Shannon knocks the puck loose. Duchesne. Markov picked it up. Perreault got it. Montreal puts its third line out. Slager with the puck. Fedorov has it. Duchesne took it. Robitaille. Wrist shot. Dykhouse stops the shot. Slager runs over Dackel. Dykhouse shoots the puck. Joseph turned the shot away. Datsuk shoots the puck. Stoned cold by Theodore. Theodore hangs on for the whistle. Draper won the faceoff. Fires it. McKay. A delayed penalty call against Detroit. Chelios is going to the box for elbowing.
Jim, have you ever noticed how much slower players skate to the penalty box than to the players' bench?
Detroit is in for a tough few minutes.
They need to break out the big bad book of defense. Chapter 1,
Scores!
all juiced up from the power play, they managed to squeeze one in.
The goalie couldn't handle the shot.
And he left a massive rebound for the shooter. Bet you were expecting a joke there. No joke. Not this one.
Detroit had the early lead. Now they've got a tie game and they don't like it.
Dealing with a tie game is like assembling furniture. It's so cute in the box, but the next thing you know, you're up to your armpits in screws, plastic, and little wooden pegs. Okay, tie games aren't really.
Cherkasky. Brisebois now has the puck. Cherkasky is in all alone. Saved by Joseph.
That save put a smile on the goalie's face.
Draper shoots the puck from the right. Scores!
Man, is the wrist shot hot, and did he ever pick a spot? And with that goal, an entirely new chapter of the game begins. Chapter 72, tie the game.
Montreal dumps the puck in. Dandino.
33, Chris Draper. And by number 37, Mark.
Shot it. Cherkasky gets in the way. Koivu. He scoops up the loose puck. Dandino has it now. Shanahan gets a hold of it. Yzerman shoved. Audette grabs the puck. Perreault corrals it. He scoops it up. Yzerman. Shanahan now with it. Hull! Theodore made the save! Shannon.
Last minute of play.
He dumps the puck in. Chelios scoops it up. Yzerman.
20 minutes does not a 60-minute game make. Sometimes even I wonder where I come up with this stuff.
Welcome back to the second period, everyone. I'm Jim Hewson.
I never tire of that. Nice delivery, buddy.
Thanks.
Gilmore. Petrov now with the puck. The ref indicates a delayed call against Lidstrom. He's getting called for cross-checking.
Every player argues a penalty they're given, but deep down, they know they deserve it.
Detroit.
We'll try to work off a little time here.
This is where they can be really exposed by an odd man rush.
Fedorov. Zednik takes possession of the puck. Offside. Audette. Detroit killed the penalty and we've returned to 5-on-5 hockey. Tchaikovsky shot it. Saved by Joseph.
Denies them the goal.
Perot, he gets hit.
That never would have happened if he'd listened to the crossing guard.
Iserman. Lidstrom shoots quickly. Tchaikovsky with the puck. Slager drops. Perot, Adet jumps on the loose puck. Shot. Joseph denies him. Markov. Perot turned away.
When it comes to knocking those pucks out of there, he's the man.
Lidstrom. With a wrist shot. Door slammed shut by Theodore. Theodore freezes the puck. Tchaikovsky got it. Zednik breaks away. Shoots it from the right. He takes control of the puck. McCarty. Holmstrom gets checked.
I do believe he's just discovered a new part of his body that can ache.
Koivu. He gets laid out. Fisher. Theodore hangs on for the whistle. McKay grabs the puck. Jumped on by Detroit. Adet intercepts the pass. Shoots it. Joseph stones him.
A spider monkey with vertigo could have stopped that shot.
McKay shoots it. Missed the net. Joseph makes the save. Iserman crushes Shannon. Perot takes control of the puck. McKay shoot.
Okay, we're in for a little tete-a-tete.
Let me guess, Jim. That's French for a bunch of fighting. He dropped him like a cheap card table.
Yeah, and in front of a full house.
Koivu wins the draw. Shoots. He scores! It just crossed the line, but it counts.
Will we see a bigger goal this game?
I don't think so. We've got a tie game. The battle lines have been drawn.
You always get the best lines. I think the producer likes you better than me.
That's just a rule.
What about those flowers on your birthday?
Joseph denies him. Detroit puts its second line out. Van Allen. Rivet. Van Allen got the puck. It's one-on-one. The door is shut by Joseph.
'Twas a thing of beauty.
Robitaille took the puck. Fired it. Theodore shuts the door.
He shoots, he doesn't score.
Last minute of play in the second period.
Montreal beats out the icing call. Fedorov hits Koivu. Koivu fires.
The breaks are a key part of the game, though generally not highlight material.
And never in 1,000 years.
Woo-wee! This has been one heck of a tight battle so far.
It's on to the third period where the action is a-happening.
Perot. Montreal dumps the puck in. Duchesne takes possession. Perot
Pulls the puck through his legs.
Leaves the defender wondering what just happened.
Dandino corrals the puck. Fedorov now has it. Theodore shut the door.
That really was just another shot.
McKay. Adet got the puck. Montreal scooped it up. Markov gets laid out.
That would have hurt much less had he been a plush toy.
Perot. Montreal dumps the puck in. Dandino gets the pass from Joseph Datsuk. Shoved. Krupp. Holmstrom fires it. Theodore made the save. Tchaikovsky. Krupp. McCarty with the puck. Datsuk grabbed it. Shoots it. Blocked. Koivu with the puck. Zednik grabbed it. He's away. Shoots the puck. Joseph slams the door shut. McCarty knocked him off the puck. The action will resume once the glass is replaced.
That'll make you think twice about buying front row tickets.
Those fans will be picking glass out of their hair for a week.
Petrov. Hull knocks him off the puck.
Intimidation factor? A disappointing 2 out of 5.
Montreal in control now. Hull. Iserman. Chelios. Hard shot. Saved by Theodore.
Stop cold, like a jaywalking rhino.
Lidstrom scoops up the loose puck. Iserman went in ahead of the play. That's offside. Robitaille gets checked. Fedorov takes possession of the puck. Hull. Shanahan. He scores! It trickled in!
I should make a movie about that goal. Although I guess no one would pay money to see a 3-second movie.
Detroit has just one task left now,
And it just might be we will win this game tonight.
Brendan Shanahan, assisted by number 17. Brett
McCarty shoots!
Number 5.
Tchaikovsky with the puck. He breaks away. Shoots the puck. Joseph made the brilliant save. Datsuk took the puck. Perot takes control. Datsuk. Robitaille corrals it. Montreal has it. Shoots! Markov scores! What a goal!
You've got to give the netminder credit for trying, but some shots just can't be stopped.
this was the last thing they wanted to see happen.
And Jim, you've got to think the momentum is swinging the other way now. Their opponents have come from behind in dramatic fashion. It's going to take a big effort for these guys to extinguish that enthusiasm and get back on top.
Zednik jumps on the loose puck. Fedorov. Robitaille grabbed it.
A little longer to go in the third here with both teams still locked in a draw.
Hey, let me guess. They've got lock draw. Lock draw, Jim, you know. Geez, Jim, don't you have any funny bones?
No, Dandino. Dandino shoots the puck. Montreal picked it up. Gilmore. He dumps it. Detroit has it now. Chelios. Hull takes it. Fires from the right. Theodore denied him.
Great control, great timing, great save.
Dackel. Rink-wide pass. Gilmore gets hold of the puck. Dackel. Fired it hard. Joseph stones him cold.
When this guy is on his game, nothing gets by him.
Rogers with the puck. Markov. Juno took it.
In a few minutes, they'll punch back in and rack up a little overtime.
Over $200,000, a new record. Thank you for your generosity.
It's the toughest period of hockey. Overtime.
This is gonna be good.
Shanahan won the faceoff. Lidstrom. Chelios controls the puck. Lidstrom now with it. He misses the net. Shanahan takes control of the puck. Hull backhanded shot. Markov. Gaudette got the puck. Markov now has it. Shannon got it. Shot the puck. He gets run over. Shanahan.
Can we sign off yet?
No, we still have about 2 minutes left to cover.
Minute.
Shanahan scores! They win the game!
This can't be good for the goalie's PR.
And so ends another chapter in the great book of hockey. Detroit wins it in sudden death overtime.
Never discount the importance of throwing your weight around. Sometimes getting just a little physical gives you the room you need to make the big play.
Saku Koivu, tonight's second star for Detroit, number 24, Chris Chelios.